Alright, for anybody that wants to know how to jerry rig your rx7 door handle that is clearly broken, if you look right there, right here is where it breaks, and that would normally bend down with it and press the rod down, pull it down. So I seen a post on this on Facebook earlier today. So I made a little piece. Drill the hole to space out this rivet and put it in there. I drill the hole through the metal. Let's see if I can show you here with one hand. Alright. And I have these little tiny screws that I'm going to sink down into it. And before I put the screws in, I'm going to put a dab of like JB Weld on, just, you know, for a little, you know, what the fuck. But how I cut this, see the shape has a little hooky doodad on it. It won't be dependent on the screws or the JB Weld too much, because it also will come over here and hit the actual lever. So when you pull down, it'll actually give it a little bit more support instead of just relying on this guy right here. Something I just learned and just whipped up real quick because I seen something on Facebook earlier. If it helps somebody else, I spend $200 on a door handle and try to fix it. You know, here's an idea of what you can do. Thanks for watching.